that this is something I've not done before. It's a product review. I haven't done any product reviews before because, quite frankly, there's not a huge amount out there that's new, other than a bowl or something like that, which I don't think is really needs a video because it's all self-explanatory. This I've known about for a while, but I haven't been able to say anything because it was under development, and they were trying to get it right when I spoke to the rep about it. So I wasn't able to say anything, but I was quite excited about it when he said about it, and it was something that I thought was the natural step. And it's basically a Wi-Fi adapter that replaces your status 570 TV aerial. It's made by Vision Plus, and it's kind of a natural progression because obviously a lot more people are streaming these days, not really watching the TV as much. We've got Netflix, we've got Prime, and you're on the iPlayer, so you can watch what you want when you want. And the reliability on using the TV signal isn't quite as much as it used to be. I mean, that's all you could have before, but obviously now, you know, you don't have to use that. You can use the streaming facilities. So you don't have to rely so much on your signal, especially down here in Cornwall. You can go to half the sites are down in the valley and you can't get anything anyway, but you can get 5G and 4G, and 5G is spreading around, you know, a lot. So there's not many places you can't get it anymore. So basically what this does, and I haven't said that actually, I haven't got one yet because it's only just been announced and I haven't been able to get hold of one. I did ask if they could send one, but they didn't have one available. So I'm gonna have to wait for them to come out like everyone else. But what I will do is once I've got my hands on one, I will do a video on how to fit it. And it's looking pretty straightforward from what I can tell, and the conversation I had with the rep is you basically take out your old aerial and you put the new one in, because it goes down through a kind of a rubber boot, which is easy to do. Then you attach the router, and then you can actually walk around with that. So it sounds like it's got a cradle that you put it on to charge the batteries up, and then you can undo it from this cradle and you can go outside in your awning and put it there and see what it's doing. That's what it looks like. I'm sorry if that's wrong, but it sounds like that's what's going to be happening. And all I have actually got is this piece of paper, this download that I've got from the internet. So you can go to the website and have a look for yourself and try and gauge what it actually is. But like I said, once I've got hold of it, I will do a video on how to fit it, and it looks dead straightforward. And you don't need to buy the whole kit unless you haven't got a TV aerial already. I say most caravans that we deal with have got the Status 570 already built into them, unless you've got a foreign van maybe. So you can just replace it. You don't have to buy the whole kit. I think it looked around about the £450 mark for the new aerial and the router as well. And it kind of looks like it should be fairly straightforward to do. It's something you may be able to fit yourself with a little bit of knowledge on how to supply the 12 volt to it. But again, I'll go through that when I get hold of one. So let's have a look at the features. I'll read them off the list. So I'm just going to read out what it says on the website. You can go and have a look at that yourself. But it's a combination of Wi-Fi, TV and a radio antenna system, 5G Wi-Fi antenna array with a 4G router, powerful directional antenna for strong TV, FM and DAB performance. Oh, it does DAB as well. That's quite good. Roof mounted with integral mast that fits into most overhead lockers. You've probably already got that in your caravan anyway. So again, you can just retrofit this. Fully adjustable height, direction and orientation from inside your caravan. You probably already know that. Tilts 90 degrees to receive both vertical and horizontal TV signals. I think a lot of people get confused with that. If you go to France, I think you have to have it vertical. And then in most things in the UK is horizontal. But if you have a look outside your caravan and everyone else's is vertical, then obviously turn it to that. I don't know the technical reasons for that, but obviously, you know, that's what you have to do. Comes with a 3-year warranty. Battery warranty is 1 year. So I think there's a battery in the actual router that's got a warranty for 1 year. As for the router, it's a 4G Cat6 router and has some great features. That's what it says here. Unlock to accept any SIM card. On-screen display for easy setup and monitoring. Portable, so you can use it outside your caravan too. Offers up to 300 megabits download speed. Runs on 12 volt or 24 volt, and that's for lorries and things. You don't need 24 volt in a caravan. Includes power base with a simple on and off switch. So I think it clicks into a power base and charges the battery up, and then you can unclick it from there and take it with you. Fitting and installation. The system is an upgrade kit, which means it's perfect if you already have a Status directional aerial. The installation is straightforward. You just remove your old antenna and slide the new status 570 unit. No need for fixing extra or drilling into your caravan. The router power base is easy to mount inside the locker and only needs a 12-volt power supply, which is included in the kit. So I just wanted to do a quick video to introduce you to this new piece of equipment, which I think is going to be really good. I think a lot of people will seriously think about it. It will certainly be a big upgrade to your caravan, and then you won't have to worry about signing into someone else's Wi-Fi on site or paying for it or any of that kind of stuff. I think this will be a really good thing. For more information, go to Vision Plus's website, visionplus.co.uk, and click on it. You'll see all the information I've just read out there, and you can have a peruse yourself. So for more information on all things caravan, on how to buy and troubleshooting and fault finding, go to myidealcaravan.co.uk and sign up to that. And also tune into Caravan Radio, where you'll hear me talking about all kinds of caravan related stuff. Actually, I think on the end of March, there is going to be an hour-long special on the new caravans and why manufacturers are kind of building inherent issues into them and what they're doing about it. So that'll be a quite interesting listen. Well, I think so. You might not. I don't know. So tune into that as well. And that's at Caravan Radio and My Ideal Caravan. And subscribe to this channel, because you'll then know when I've done the video on how to fit it. It will come up and be on your feed. So I think I'll see you on that video, if not before.